Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to install WhatsApp without Play Store on Nothing Phone free. Let's begin. So let's say that for any reason whatsoever you cannot download the WhatsApp using Play Store, or you maybe just don't want to. It's completely up to you. What to do then? Well, you want to go into your browser. Of course, if it's the first time you open the browser, you have to agree to a bunch of stuff, etc. But now we can go in and we can simply search for WhatsApp download. Now, the very first link that will usually show is the link to Google Play, so we want to ignore that. And instead you want to click the official worldwideweb.whatsapp.com. Now, instead of getting it on the Google Play, you want to download WhatsApp directly. So we want to click that, and now we are downloading the file. After the file downloads, we can open it, but we can see the download status, which is not working. Oh, there is a notification. Let's hit open. But as you can see, by default, we cannot really install anything from external resource. So let's go in settings and let's simply hit allow from this resource. Now we can click install to install the said application. And as you can see, our app is installed. We can hit done or we can open it. And as you can see, our WhatsApp is working without any issues whatsoever. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.